Alright, this is Bryant Troop of Gravity IT Solutions. This is a general video to show someone if you're having some problems in Windows and are possibly missing some drivers. Common scenario might be a network driver for wireless network, or even the wired network driver, and it needs to be reinstalled. I'm going to show you how to do that. So if you're at your desktop, you're going to search for a device manager, and you're going to load device manager. And my computer has some security settings, so I need to do something in particular. I need to run this as an administrator. Because this isn't letting me do everything. Let's see if it'll let me do this through here. Alright, so I've run this as an administrator so I can look at it from this. Alright, so this shows all the drivers that are installed on your computer. If there's a problem with a driver, you may see a red X, an exclamation, something that looks a little bit different than all the other ones. These are all working fine on my computer, but let's go into network adapters and expand that. Most computers that have wireless are going to have a wireless adapter, and commonly they're also likely going to have an adapter for physically plugging in a network connection if you have a network port on your computer. So if there's an issue with a driver, you can right-click on that driver and attempt to update the driver. You can also scan for hardware changes, and that will often scan and see if it can fix the driver itself. You can also go again into properties, and there is a driver tab here that has all the different options that are available to you. So this is where you can try to get it to reinstall the drivers on anything that's in a kind of marked state as red or not working correctly. One other option that you can do sometimes that will work, you uninstall the driver and the device and then reboot your system, and when it reboots, it will try to redetect the driver and install the driver properly. So those are the steps that you can take. If for some reason those things don't work, then what you'll want to do is get access to a computer that is working and note the exact device that you have. So I would write down this Intel Wireless AC9260, and then on another computer you could go Google search for that for the latest driver. And again, most likely you're going to get it from Intel. So Intel will probably have a universal driver installer that will cover not only this model but several other models. So you could download those to a USB flash drive, then bring them over to your computer, and then run their installation utility to correct the driver. If you're still having issues after that, it could theoretically be a hardware problem, and so you may want to reach out to us to schedule for us to take a look at that. So that's how you can kind of troubleshoot some driver issues using Device Manager in Windows. But hopefully that's helpful. If not, please reach out to us at 855-520-5200. Huh?